Hey guys, Mr. Backever here. In this video we're going to look at natural logarithms in base e. So as we're looking at a natural logarithm, we're looking at a logarithm with a base of e. So we can think about it as log base e of x, but there's a different way to write that. A natural log can be written as ln of x. And when we write it as that ln, we don't put any subscript base on there. It's just an implied base e. Now, natural logs have the same basic properties of normal logarithms. So if we're looking at the natural log of 1, that's going to equal 0 because if we take e and put a 0 power on it, we're going to get 1 as our answer. Or if we look at a natural log of e, that answer is going to be 1. With that natural log, there's an implied base e. If we put a power of 1 on it, we're going to get e as our answer. Now we can also think about these natural logs and exponentials. So if we took the natural log of e to the y, then the answer we're going to get there is just going to be y, because a natural log and an e exponential are inverses of each other, so they cancel each other out. Or if we looked at e to the power of the ln of x, then that answer is just going to be x, because again, exponential e and natural log base e are going to cancel each other out, so we would just get that x as our answer. So let's look at some examples in here. Let's say we had the ln of the square root of e, and we wanted to simplify this down. Well, we can take that square root of e, and a square root is the same as a 1/2 power. And then because this natural log is a base e, then this natural log and this e are going to cancel each other out, and all we're going to have left over is that 1/2 power. Or if we wanted to look at the natural log of e to the 5th power. Again, this natural log and this e are just going to cancel each other out because they're inverses of each other, so the answer we get is just 5. Now if we looked at it starting with an exponential, so let's say we had e to the power of ln of 4. Well, e exponential and natural log are still inverses of each other, so they're still going to cancel each other out, and we're going to get 4 as our answer. Now, not every natural log can be evaluated by hand, so we can use our calculator to help us out. There is an ln button on there, so we're going to look at a few natural logs on our calculator. We're going to do the natural log of 23.5. We're going to do the natural log of 0.48, and we're going to do the natural log of -5. So I'll get my calculator fired up. So in my calculator, if I want to do a natural log, I need to find the ln button on the left-hand side. And the first one we're going to do is 23.5. I'll close up my parentheses and hit enter, and we should get 3.157 if we round that off. Now the next one we're going to look at is the natural log of 0.48, and I'll close up my parentheses and hit enter. When I do that, I get -0.734 if I round that one off. And then the last one we're going to do is the natural log of -5. Close up my parentheses, hit enter, and it tells us that we get a non-real answer. We cannot evaluate logarithms of negative numbers. There is no power that I could put on a base of e and ever get -5 as my answer. It just doesn't work. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.